Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out a fun and creative camera, the Pentax 1735mm film camera. This compact film camera is perfect for anyone who loves the classic analog look and wants to experiment with photography in a unique vertical, half-frame format. The camera captures up to 72 images per roll, doubling the usual 36 exposures, thanks to its half-frame vertical orientation. This makes it ideal for social media posts, journaling, or simply snapping more photos without changing film as often. It's simple to use, lightweight, and portable, making it great for travel, street photography, or everyday snapshots. Despite being analog, it delivers sharp, vibrant images with that nostalgic film aesthetic that digital cameras just can't replicate. Whether you're a beginner exploring film photography or a seasoned photographer wanting a fun, creative tool, the Pentax 1735mm film camera is a great choice for experimenting with composition, framing, and storytelling. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.